Alright guys, got something a little bit different for us today. We have 2022 Chevy Tahoe. Normally reach for our Autel, but on a car like this, Autel currently can't do it. Autel could do it for a little while, and they could do it with calling in. They would take control over the machine, take care of the in-code, out-code. Then it seemed like it went completely away, and now our options are, at least our options, I don't know if there's anybody else doing this, but Obdstar and Auto Pro Pad. The last few times I've done them, I've used Auto Pro Pad, so I figured I'd see if the Obdstar is still up and running. Of course, if you can see that, it requires the CAN FD adapter. See if we can communicate with the car. Alright, so failed, will escape. We'll do manually select. Chevy. USA. Tahoe. Prox. 2021. So I always get confused here, right? With pin code, without pin code. I guess we want without, because we don't have it. Just to see if we're communicating now. What does that mean? That always bothers me, right? I got the ignition on. Does it want me to turn it off? Who knows? I assume it wanted me to turn it on. So let's do program keys. Pretty sure I'm connected. Well, maybe I'm not. We'll find out. Ignition switch on. We're good. I know there's going to be a 10-minute wait on this one. I'm pretty sure there is. I'll be back. So, we're almost up to that 10-minute wait. I move the tool over because I'm pretty sure we're going to see in the cluster it tell us that we're ready for key number 3 or 4 or whatever key's next. It's going to ask us to put in the emergency spot. How do we tell where the emergency spot is? Chevy's not as easy as Ford. 1, check the owner's manual. Owner's manual said this cup holder. 2, I like to verify by popping the remote out of the known good working key. Make it so the car won't start. Put this key without the battery in it in the cup holder. Make sure the car starts. That's how we know we got the correct spot. I guess if this was a different model with a bench seat, it would be in a different spot. So looks like we're making progress. I know this is normal. Hopefully it's going to ask us for key number 3. Keys 2, enter. Put new proximity key into the sensing area, blah, blah, blah. We'll do that. We'll hit OK. Key learning active. Press and hold the start stop button for more than 2 seconds. Pay attention to the dashboard. 1, 2. Ready for key number 3. Please release and press the start button again. Ah, look at that. It changed to key 4. That means, pretty sure our key is programmed. Hit enter. That's good. We are going to escape because we don't want to program anymore. We'll wait for this. Usually Chevy, there's some type of a closeout process. This is it. Push and hold the start stop button for 16 seconds. So it looks like we're still kind of like in key programming until the dashboard prompts. Key learning complete. That's exactly what we were looking for. So I'll let go. Release the start button. I did. I'm sure that's gonna go away. We'll find out. Turn off the ignition switch. Open and close driver's door. Enter. I'll be right back. Almost done. That was only a couple minutes. Program complete. Enter. We'll escape out of this. Unplug. Adapter and test the factory key first. That's good. Arc new key. I got something in back of me, so I'm not going to hit the well, I guess I could hit the glass button, right? You heard that. I heard that. I'm also in a showroom here, so starting this thing, they've already told me they're not excited about me starting it, so I'm going to test this thing offline. I'm going to be back. I know I've already done a HU100 key cut, but I'm going to show one quick thing on this one that I kind of wish I had known, that I should have known, just so you guys can avoid what happened to me. I'll be right back. So real quick, I'll just show you that mistake that I made. It involves, obviously we got to cut both sides of this key. It involves this thing sticking up and that thing. Basically the first time I did this, that bumped into that when it went to go cut the key, and it literally broke that plastic piece right off the key. I had to drive out and get another one. Don't make the same mistake that I did. Take the, if you're using a Dolphin, take the little protector off and cover your eyes, and that's it. That's the whole job. Thanks guys.